Hi, my name is Govind Raj and I work as a customer support department head, and I'm a practitioner and a trainer in the customer support domain. The reason of creating this video is to create an awareness about the career option available in the customer support department. Are you working as a customer support agent in an existing organization, or are you working as a new customer support agent? Ask yourself a question. Are you sure that you are aware about your career growth in the organization? Are you sure that you know the entire aspect of customer support department? I can bet you that you will be confused. There are many people like who are customer support agent either in a BPO, or maybe they are working in some customer support department, but they don't have any idea about their career growth or about how the entire customer support department is being operated. I think if you work in a customer support department, it is very important to know why you work in a customer support department. So I have created a video in Udemy called Power of Customer Support Department, and also I've written a book on Power of Customer Support Department, which is published and which is available in Amazon store. So you can click on the link and get subscribe to the course, as well as you can get the Amazon book. If you subscribe to Udemy, you get the book for free. If you just want to read the book, you can go to Amazon and buy it. Both the links are available. Now what you get after learning Power of Customer Support Department, you get to know, like, if you are an existing employee, you get to know how to reach the next level of your career. For example, if you are working as an agent, how to reach to a team leader level, you get to learn that. You get to know various career designations available in customer support department. You also get an idea about the power of customer support department in terms of generating VOC, how the customer support department is generating revenue for the organization, and how your designation is impacting that revenue negatively and positively. You also get to learn that. So isn't it interesting? Customer support department is the only department which drives the revenue for the organization from a financial standpoint, because they directly interact with the customer. Any interaction you do has a positive as well as negative impact. So in this entire book, you get to learn the holistic view of customer support department and how you can position your career in that department. Okay, so subscribe to the course and learn it. Thanks. Bye.